In my experience, this is probably going to be the biggest problem a do-it-yourselfer or someone who is just starting out learning about stair building is going to make when it comes to adding a nosing to the stair step. So let's go ahead and get started with a floor plan layout where we have 8 10-inch treads, 48 inches wide, and the stair stringer will look something like this, and use the same measurements we have for the floor plan layout. 10 inches, 8 10-inch steps will provide us with a stairway that will fit within 80 inches. However, if you make this step 1 inch larger, because you're planning on putting a 1-inch nosing on each one of the steps, when you're laying out your stair stringer, you're going to end up with a stair stringer that will not fit into the 80-inch measurement. You're going to have a stair stringer that will fit into an 88-inch measurement. 8 11-inch steps that will have an 11-inch depth, and with a nosing will have a 12-inch depth, but still have an 11-inch individual run for the stair tread. So we're not going to add the nosing measurement to the length of the individual stair tread. We're going to lay the stair stringer out in the same way we would if we had a stairway without a nosing. So again, we're going to have a 10-inch measurement here on the stair stringer, and we're going to have a 10-inch measurement for the finished step without a nosing. And if I want to add a 1-inch nosing and create an 11-inch long stair tread, a stair tread with an 11-inch depth and a 1-inch overhang, I'm just simply going to make the tread 1 inch wider. Instead of a 10-inch tread, I'm going to add an inch to it, the length of the nosing to the depth of the individual tread run, in this example, 10 inches. So again, I'm not going to modify the stair stringer for the nosing. And this is what a lot of do-it-yourselfers seem to do. I've seen it plenty of times and hope that you don't end up repeating the same mistake. So if it doesn't make any sense, let us know in the comment area what you're having a problem with. And if it does make sense, make sure that you send a link to somebody else you know to prevent them from making this mistake also in the future.